Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to find unread emails in Gmail. Sometimes it can be easy to miss important emails in your inbox, especially if you receive a lot of them. But with these simple steps, you can quickly locate any unread emails in your Gmail account. There are several ways to view unread emails in Gmail. The first method is simply scrolling through your inbox until you find emails in bold. Emails in bold indicate that they are unread and haven't been opened yet. Another way to view unread emails is by using the search bar. Type "is unread" into the search bar and hit enter. This will force Gmail to display only unread and unopened emails in your inbox. If you want to change the way Gmail sorts and views your received emails, you can do so in the settings. To access the settings, tap on the three stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down to Settings with the gear icon and tap on it. In the Settings menu, select the email account you want to change the settings for. Then go to the Inbox section and tap on Inbox Type. From the displayed options, choose Unread first. This will change the way Gmail sorts and views your received emails in the inbox label. All unread emails will now appear at the top of your inbox. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can quickly locate any unread emails in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.